Okay, after 6+ hours, finally communicating with some guy that just does wiring and finding out that the wiring diagram that's available is wrong. This is what we come down to. Excuse the door dinging. So on the PCM, the AC request on the PCM side is ground. So the wiring diagram shows it as power, but it's ground. So I had checked all the other wiring, all the other sensors, made sure everything worked, could get the AC to come on if I grounded the signal out of the PCM. So I knew all that wiring was good. Finally, I've got it figured out. More than likely, the wiring that goes to here, between here and the compressor and here and the truck, is pinched. Either pinched or something. Could be as simple as someone removed the dash to fix a heater and pinched the wire or whatever. But initially what was supposed to be happening was, and I thought, this fucking door thing. So initially when I was checking this is the, I got a diagram, but it's pin L, it's a light blue wire, and when you request AC, it's supposed to have power coming out of it. And when I tested it, I was always showing ground. Now, I guess it's internally, instead of having a fuse, it just says, oh, if it sees ground, it doesn't send power out. So this whole time I've been checking it, and I'm like, why am I not seeing power coming out of here? Well, I finally just cut the wire, and give me a second to plug everything back in. Well, I finally just cut the wire after checking everything else. I'm like, so let's use my auto camera. So now that I cut the wire and I request AC, I have power. So after I can tell you right now, 6 hours is a low estimate, but at least 6 hours of wiring, checking things, everything else. So now all I have to do is run a new wire to the PCM from here, and the AC should work. And I will verify that here shortly. I'll just run a test wire from here to there and hook it up. So give me a minute. Yeah, that was the issue. So I've got my running wire here. I've ran it to the AC head here. Oops, break my camera. I turn it on. I get cold air. And now I'm seeing, oops, AC request yes, which I wasn't seeing before. AC relay on, relay command on, normal pressure. So we got it finally.